STEM Racing Discovery is an all-in-one classroom project that's suitable from age 6+. STEM Racing Discovery introduces students to the principles of design, test, make and race, with an engaging and interactive programme of work covering skills taught in maths, science, design technology and more.
As a teacher, I really enjoy watching the children build on their team building skills, working together, being able to problem solve and being able to bring all the STEM subjects together as one to put real context for future life.
I really wanted to be an engineer when I grow up because I really like doing sort of like puzzles, so I think this has helped me to try and achieve that goal of becoming an engineer, because I just like putting things together and this is really helping.
The skills STEM Racing Discovery has taught me is even if your team doesn't do well, you can still be proud of your own achievements.
STEM Racing Discovery has been developed with academics who specialise in primary teaching. It's by teachers, for teachers. It includes all of the units of work to get you straight off the ground, worksheets for students that you can print and use straight away, and it also provides you with a fun and engaging, exciting race experience for all of the school to get behind.